come to this course. I'm super excited for this training because this training actually came thanks to a student that kept insisting me, and her name is Helene. She told me, yeah, you can mention me. Because she was, Mark, you should try iClone, you should try iClone. And then we are in a training producing animation, like high-end animations. And then she was saying, Mark, you can do all of that faster in iClone. Mark, you can do this all of it super fast in iClone. And then, okay, let's give it a try. And then I don't like to do stuff without testing. So after testing, we found out that you can save 2 months of work and zoom, collapse it into 1 hour. Or if we were super fast, it would be 1 month in 1 hour. So whatever it is, it's a huge time saver because you can create backgrounds super fast. You can animate characters super fast. You can like a ton of things. Not only that, but you have way more control over everything you do. I got super passionate about this software because I'm learning how to draw and I want to do anime. Well, with iClone, later you're gonna see me produce an anime scene frame by frame, but with the help of iClone, because I'm going to save myself like 10 years of experience in animation, and I'm gonna do some testing because it's a framework that I have here that I'm going to teach later, like how to create traditional animation faster, right? But for now, I'm super excited because iClone helped me accelerate not only my production, but also my learning on other stuff. So I'm super excited. What are you gonna learn in this class? Well, first we're gonna learn the basics, like how to download iClone, how to do all of that, like getting you up and running with iClone and understanding the marketplace and how to save money in the marketplace and how to get free stuff from the marketplace. Then you're gonna learn how to use like the best methods to use pre-made content and access it fast without wasting time. Then you're gonna learn basic functions for creating stuff and editing, like rotating, moving the pivot point, aligning stuff, all the basic stuff that you need. Then you're gonna learn how to create stuff from scratch. Now, this is more so you can learn how to adjust the stuff that you buy, because if you use iClone, it's because you have budget to get stuff done for you super cheap. Instead of investing $2,000 or $3,000 for someone to create a CD in 3D, you just spend $30 and you get it from the marketplace, a huge CD. So it's very powerful. So I don't recommend using iClone to model stuff, but this module is so you can later, when you get stuff that you buy, how to modify it and adjust it so it fits perfectly to your own projects. Then you're gonna learn about setting up a scene with a cinematic mood. Then we're gonna go to the module of fast character animation, where you do animation super fast and you have a lot of control because you animate as if it was a video game, as if you were controlling a character in a video game. Then you'll learn how to animate crowds and non-playable characters. And you can do this by using a path or an area movement or have characters follow another character. Then you're gonna learn facial expressions, where you're gonna learn how to use auto lip sync very accurately, because now you can insert text to help with the precision, and so you get something super fast and super precise. It's very powerful. Then you're gonna learn the different controls for manipulating the face and have the acting that you need. And finally, the final instruction module is going to be camera movement. In there, you're gonna learn useful techniques to put the camera movement very precise using a trajectory that you can control and adjust, and also setting different shots for a scene. So at the very, very end, something that we're gonna be doing in each module is building on a scene of the detective, like a couple of seconds of a scene of a character just thinking like of a case where I decided that it was going to be a detective. And so whenever we finish with one module, for example, face acting, we put now the face acting in the character. We finish like setting cameras, then we go back to that and we build the cameras for that scene. And at the end, you're gonna be able to create this scene from scratch. This cannot be. It just cannot be. How did it come to this? This doesn't make any sense. No, it can't be. And so that's what you're gonna learn in this training. I'm so excited because this is your future year. Weeks from now, you're going to be able to create the scene that you just saw. Or depending if you are like me and you invest a lot of time in the lessons, then you're going to get faster results. But the recommended pace for if you don't have all the time in the world is try to finish one module per week. Have that as a goal, and you're gonna be able to finish in around 12 weeks. Or if you take like two modules per week, then you will finish it in like 6 weeks, right? In short, in a matter of weeks, you're gonna learn how to use this very powerful software, and you're gonna be able to save so much time and so cost in your productions. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get it started and go to the next lesson where you're going to learn how to install iClone. If you already have it installed, then just click complete, move to the next one, and download the project files. See you in the next